My beloved, today I come to offer you my assistance and my healing light for your body, mind, and soul. I am by your side to help you find balance and well-being. I am here to guide you on this journey of renewal and holistic healing. Understand that everything within you is deeply connected. Your body, your mind, your soul, all these aspects form your true self. When one of these aspects is out of balance, it affects the others. That's why I am here to illuminate and harmonize each part of your being, so you can experience a complete and profound transformation. I bless you with the healing energy of the emerald green ray. This light is a pure manifestation of healing and vitality, and it is here to revitalize your body, calm your mind, and elevate your spirit. As you receive this light, you will activate the divine power within you, a power that allows you to access all the knowledge and blessings the universe has in store for you. Today, I am committed to accompanying you on this healing journey. Trust in your capacity for transformation and in the power of the divine light that now surrounds you. You are enveloped in love and support, both from the universe and from the beings of light who stand by you. Trust in the process and in the power of your own being. Together, we can achieve complete healing and profound renewal. If you wish to find happiness and peace in your life, it is important to understand that you will need to face the wounds of your soul at some point. You must address them with care, heal them, and repair them. Just like your body, your soul can also suffer deep wounds. These wounds can affect your well-being, your happiness, and many other areas of your life. Soul wounds are like scars that originate from emotional damage, whether from this life or past ones. These wounds can arise from painful experiences, the loss of loved ones, humiliation, or other situations that have caused you suffering. Toxic relationships, in particular, are among the most harmful to your soul. All of this leaves a deep mark within you. But these scars do not heal on their own. Sometimes, time alone is not enough to cure them. Some wounds can persist for a long time and continue to affect you negatively. There are wounds so deep that they impact your quality of life. That's why it is crucial for you to address them and commit to healing your wounds. Today, I share this message with you so that you may find the light, strength, and courage necessary to face all those internal wounds. For I am health and vitality. I am healing and restoration. I am the emerald green ray. Soul wounds can accumulate painful emotions and negative sensations. These wounds are there for you to pay attention to and heal. If you ignore them, they may grow and become more prominent to capture your attention. You might then find yourself filled with sadness, hatred, resentment, anger, or even fear. All of these feelings intensify when you neglect your wounds. It is important to understand that ignoring your wounds will not help you. On the contrary, it will only make the problem worse. The more you ignore your wounds, the larger they will become because they need to be addressed. Wounds are urgent and cannot be simply overlooked. When you address and heal them, you find peace and balance. Furthermore, when you have many wounds, your self-esteem is also affected. There comes a time when you only feel the pain of the wounds and cannot experience other emotions. This makes you feel insecure, frightened, vulnerable, and insufficient. To heal the wounds of your soul, you need to cultivate self-love and learn to love yourself. By doing so, you will recognize your true worth and power. It's also important for you to know that when your soul is filled with wounds, your relationships with others may not be entirely healthy. These wounds have left their mark, and this can affect how you relate to others, whether in a romantic relationship, with your family, or at work. By healing your wounds, you will recognize your own worth and won't allow yourself to be treated poorly. Above all, the process of healing soul wounds is a process of transformation. It is a path that allows you to learn, fills you with wisdom, and gives you the tools you need to face life with a better attitude and less suffering. Today, I accompany you in the healing of your wounds. I illuminate you so that you can recognize your wounds and understand how they affect you. This is the first step towards healing. You must explore your feelings, thoughts, and emotions. You will also need to reflect on your behavioral patterns. You will be ready to confront these wounds, but you will not do it alone. I will be by your side every step of the way. All your angels will accompany you in this process. You can do it, and when you succeed, you will experience one of the greatest reliefs of your life. As you heal your wounds, it is crucial to take care of yourself in all aspects. Remember that you are a physical being, but also spiritual, mental, and emotional. Now and before we continue, I invite you to subscribe and share our channel. Your support helps us to create more valuable content for you. Healing the wounds of the soul is a wonderful opportunity to engage in activities that bring you joy and connect with yourself. It is a necessary process for finding balance and well-being. When you address your wounds, you release yourself from the past and create space for a fuller life. You free yourself from pain and suffering. That's why I'm here with you. Today, I reach out to your soul to help elevate your spiritual growth through the knowledge of healing. I want you to apply this knowledge to heal the wounds of your soul. Today, I illuminate your wisdom and understanding, so you can discover your spiritual strength for healing and creation. These forces and this power are within you, and you can develop them. You may not realize it, but there have been many times when you have wished for healing so intensely that you achieved it through your own power. Perhaps you did it unconsciously or without full awareness, but the truth is, your healing power is real. You can activate it, develop it, and use it in your life. But most importantly, you need to employ it now to heal the wounds of your soul. This power manifests in the purest form as the emerald green ray, and it is this light that illuminates your being today. Now is the time to recognize your own light and brilliance. Appreciate that glow that shines through everything and emanates from your heart. You must acknowledge all the goodness within you and be aware of the gifts and blessings that carry that inner light you carry with you. Today, I stand before you to serve as a mirror, so you can recognize that wonderful light within you that shines so brightly. I want you to be aware that your soul can reflect the light that flows through the universe. You have the ability to choose where to direct your soul, what light you wish to carry with you, and what light you wish to reflect. You need to understand that everything leaves a mark on your being. Everything you have heard, seen, and felt is within you and is a part of who you are. You are the result of your experiences, emotions, joys, and fears. All of that is within you, and you must accept it, acknowledge it, and love it. All the good you see in me is also within you. The process of recognizing flaws and virtues in others acts as a mirror. In other words, you cannot identify a flaw or virtue in someone else without having first felt, experienced, or even feared it yourself. Healing and awakening arise from within you. They are activated through all the coded information your soul holds, like a divine treasure. Try to understand this truth from your deepest intelligence, your divine wisdom, and your inner strength. To explore the depth of your power, you must be willing to know and understand everything that resides within you. Understand that creation lives in you and through you. You can achieve anything because you are everything. Know that everything that ever was, in some way, is within you. Everything that is also within you, and everything that will also be within you. For all things are one. The wounds of your soul are there, but you can transform and heal them. Although they will remain a part of you, they will no longer cause you pain. They will become a source of love for yourself. Your soul is freed from the limitations of your human mind and perfectly accesses all the knowledge and power the universe offers. Receive that knowledge and feel its presence within you. The beings of light accompany you and rejoice in witnessing your healing and awakening. All the healing that exists in the universe is also within you. All the forces of nature, all divine light, and all powerful and spiritual flames can manifest through you. If you unlock those energies, heal your spirit and awaken your soul. Your physical body is perfectly connected to your higher self, to your higher being. Now you understand that the truth is within you, and you don't need to seek it outside, because everything you need to know is inside you. You wouldn't be receiving the information I'm sharing with you today if you hadn't followed your intuition and been willing to listen to this message. So, understand that everything begins with you, and a small gesture on your part can trigger something great. Today marks the beginning of healing the wounds of your soul. Today, everything that needs renewal starts to renew itself, thanks to your new state of consciousness. Today, healing, harmony, and peace work within you. Remember, dear one, that you must wish for healing not only for yourself but also for your entire environment and for all beings. Each soul carries with it karma that needs healing and transformation, and you must be a source of energetic inspiration. Your purpose is to elevate energies, make the light shine purer and brighter, and prevent darkness from gaining ground. Now I ask you, are you willing to tune your mind to the melody of success and allow prosperity to flow to you? Today, I have left in the description a powerful tool that will help you and bring you closer to your happiness, peace, and tranquility. I invite you to get to know it. Open the doors to a future where success and prosperity are your daily reality. The opportunity you have today to change your life will never present itself in the same way again. Act today, go for the description and create the tomorrow you deserve. Blessings forever.